again in Texas, where the winners are sinners, where the sinners are Texas, where my bottle of whiskey is good, but Fred's firearms are better.
Yep.
Look at that. This is a AR.
ar15 DPMS. As you can see, nice with the scope.
We still don't know if it sights or not, but we're gonna give it a go.
We're gonna give it a go, see if it's working right.
Yeah, if not, we just take it back to the pawn shop.
We want our money back.
We want our money back, right? So, what do we got for shooting today?
Well, a lot of like cosmetics, as you can see. Go show them. Go show them.
Oh, okay. Let me go show them. We got carpet cleaner, shaving cream, hairspray, full throttle, body powder, shaving cream, axe, carpet cleaner, hairspray. Shut the hell up. Shut the hell up. So, Fred is getting it ready, as you see. Despacito, Fred.
Almost there.
Pues so, what are you gonna be shooting today? The AR?
I'll do the AR-15. Try it out.
Alright.
Maybe you'll do the AK.
The AK, my favorite.
See who hits more.
I got this
I
one.
haven't been playing Call of Duty like you.
No, hey, right now I saw Call of Duty and Fortnite, man.
All right. Here we go. There's 20 rounds in here.
20 rounds.
It'd be hot. It'd be hot.
Hold on. A little bit low. Lower.
No way.
And see, guys, that's why me and Fred are AK fans.
That's what we're AK guys.
Yep. Oh crap. There it is. Oh, the cheap rounds. Yeah, they're the cheap rounds.
But they are going in.
They are? Maybe that gun doesn't like cheap rounds.
Doesn't like Walmart rounds? They're in there. I don't know what's going on.
Maybe it needs a sweet talk.
They're in there.
Sweet talk it. Come on, baby.
Sweet
Shoot.
talk it.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe it's just lubricant or something.
Probably.
ARs are lubricant.
I don't like ARs. I'm an AK guy, man. Holy snap! Look at that. Somebody just came all over for his truck. Look at that.
Yeah,
I swear it wasn't me with those
wash,
rounds.
buddy. It's a wash now. Better wash it. Ready or what? Hold on. You gotta clean your AK now.
Oh yeah. He got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 20 rounds. Well, not 20 because you said 2.
You want me to put more coats for you or what? Two more. Here we go.
Oh my God, people are over there.
Yeah. Well, just don't worry about it, dude.
It has coke too.
Put the mag in it. Put the mag in it. Here we go. Take the safety off and cock it.
Is it up right?
No, it's down.
Down.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I missed.
Bro,
here.
you got them all.
It's,
You got them all,
it's
dude.
AK, man.
See? AK never miss.
AK never miss.
AK never misses. Beautiful day in Texas. Sunny, 80 degrees.
You know what? Go ahead and like the video. I'll wait right here.
Please like and subscribe.
Come on.
We'll wait for you guys to like.
Yeah, we'll be here all day. Make sure you like that video and subscribe, guys.
All right.
Remember, Fred and Jerry.
Fred and Jerry. See you guys later.